Can you believe I was able to turn this my picture into this image using Google Nano Banana? Then I went ahead to turn this image into this video using the latest talked about Google VEO 3.1. Let me show you in the next 8 minutes, step by step, how I was able to do that. Don't go nowhere. Join me, let's do it together. Head over to your Google Chrome browser. Search for gemini.google.com. When it opens, just click this create image and paste this prompt. I'm going to leave the prompt in the description for this video, so you're going to find it there. We want to generate an image which will go ahead to animate or use to make a video using VEO 3.1 inside of Google FX Labs. So let's go ahead and generate our image. I'm going to upload a picture of me which I'm going to use. Let me use this image. Okay, so I want to use this image and this prompt to generate the image I'm going to use to make that video. I just generated this image, so I'm going to download it. Click this button up here, download. Downloaded. Open another tab using this plus button. Search for labs.google/fx. Scroll down to flow, launch flow, select new project, tap this place where it says text to video, select frame to video, tap this plus button here to import your picture, tap on upload, select that picture we just generated, select crop and save, now add your prompt. This prompt is going to be in the description of this video as well, so you're going to find it there. So let me paste the prompt and hit this button to generate. Google gives you 100 credits every month, so you're using it to generate for free. And if you exhaust that, you can upgrade your account to become a paid subscriber so you can have more access. So our video is generated. Let's play it and see.
Peace. And I'm out.
Wow.
Peace. And I'm out.
Okay.
Peace.
So
and I'm out.
That's our video. So you can keep
Peace.
tweaking this prompt until you get a better video than this. Okay? But this is just to show you what you can do
And I'm out.
with this VEO 3.1. It's not everybody that has access to 3.1.
And I'm out.
Okay? Because it's a Google product, that's why we are finding it inside of Google itself.
And I'm out.
So try it and find out what you're going to generate and I want to see yours in the comments.
And I'm out.
That brings us to the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be notified each time I drop another video. And if you're not familiar with how to generate or edit images using Google Nano Banana, watch this video so that you will understand step by step how to go about it. And in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own first YouTube video. I'm going to be showing you the necessary steps you're going to take even when you want to upload it so that you get maximum views. If you don't want to miss that video, subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell icon so that you'll be notified when I drop it. And until then, stay creative and stay curious.